My dearest friend, as I put pen to paper, my heart feels heavy with the weight of thoughts that have long sought expression. In the tapestry of life, we often encounter threads of adversity that weave through the fabric of our existence. Among these threads, the invisible struggle of CFS and its impact on mental health is a chapter that remains untold far too often. Beyond the palpable toll on our physical bodies, there lies an intricate web of emotional challenges, veiled from the world, known only to those who navigate the labyrinth of chronic illness. Anxiety, like an uninvited guest, takes residence in the chambers of our minds, and the weight of depression casts shadows on the brightest of days. Living with a chronic illness can be a solitary journey, traversing through valleys of uncertainty and scaling mountains of pain. In these moments of vulnerability, the fortress of our mental well-being may falter, and the resilience we so fiercely guard can waver. Yet, as I share these sentiments, I wish not to dwell solely on the struggles, but to illuminate the strength that arises from acknowledging this intersection of physical and mental well-being. To embrace the totality of our experiences is to embark on a path of healing that transcends the confines of a singular aspect. The journey of recovery demands a holistic approach, one that nurtures not only the body but also the soul. In understanding the intimate connection between our physical and emotional selves, we lay the foundation for true healing to take root. As we navigate the labyrinth of CFS and its impact on mental health, let us remember that it is not a journey we embark upon alone. The bond we share, dear friend, forms a lifeline of support, gently reminding us that we are seen and heard even in our most vulnerable moments. In our daily lives, simple acts of compassion can become beacons of hope, illuminating the darkness that sometimes clouds our path. A gentle touch, a comforting word, or a silent presence can bridge the gap between isolation and connection. I urge you, my friend, to be gentle with yourself, for the journey you traverse is no ordinary one. Let not the weight of guilt burden your spirit, for you carry no fault in the trials that life has presented. Instead, find solace in the resilience that has brought you this far, and in the courage that propels you forward. As I conclude this letter, I extend my hand in unwavering support, standing beside you in the face of the invisible struggle. Together we shall continue to unravel the complexities of life with CFS, nurturing both our physical and mental well-being. May the tender light of compassion guide us, illuminating the darkest corners of our hearts. And in the embrace of understanding, may we find the strength to face each day with renewed hope. With love and empathy, Elias Lindenwold, a fellow traveler on the path.